How can I get better at blogging? To improve your blogging skills and become better at blogging, consider the following tips. Define your niche. Determine the specific area or topic you want to focus on in your blog. Having a niche helps you establish expertise and attract a dedicated audience. Understand your audience. Research and understand your target audience's interests, needs, and preferences. Tailor your content to provide value and address their concerns. Develop a content strategy. Plan your blog content in advance. Create an editorial calendar, set goals, and establish a consistent publishing schedule. This helps you stay organized and ensures a steady flow of high-quality content. Write compelling headlines. Craft attention-grabbing headlines that pique readers' curiosity and encourage them to click on your blog posts. Use power words, ask questions, or offer solutions to engage your audience. Focus on quality content. Create well-researched, informative, and engaging content. Ensure your writing is clear, concise, and easy to read. Use relevant visuals like images, infographics, and videos to enhance the user experience. Optimize for search engines. Implement basic SEO techniques to improve your blog's visibility in search engine results. Use relevant keywords in your blog posts, optimize meta tags, and create descriptive URLs. Promote your content. Share your blog posts on social media platforms, participate in relevant online communities, and engage with your audience. Building a strong online presence helps increase your blog's visibility and attract more readers. Interact with your audience, encourage comments, respond to reader feedback, and engage in conversations. Building a relationship with your audience helps foster loyalty and encourages them to return to your blog. Learn from others. Follow successful bloggers in your niche and analyze their techniques. Understand what makes their blogs successful and apply those strategies to your own blogging efforts. Continuously educate yourself. Stay updated with the latest trends, best practices, and tools related to blogging. Attend webinars, read books and blogs, and join relevant communities to stay informed and continually improve your blogging skills. Remember, blogging is a continuous learning process. Stay consistent, be patient, and be open to adapting and improving your approach based on feedback and analytics.